As everybody knows, mountain tornadoes aren't really a subject that most people talk about. Mountain tornadoes are rare, but mostly happen in Colorado. 6% of all Colorado tornadoes have light in counties that sit west of I-25. Anyway, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 Colorado mountain tornadoes. Number 3 on the list is a tornado that touched down on the side of Mount Evans on July 28, 2012. It touched down at an elevation of around 12,000 feet above sea level, which is the highest elevation tornado in Colorado and the second highest elevation tornado in the United States. Number 3 on this list is a tornado that touched down on the side of Pikes Peak at an elevation of around 11,000 feet on July 13th, 2013. And finally, number 1 on this list is a mountain tornado that touched down on June 10th, 1980. In Saguache County. It traveled a crazy 19.9 miles and finishing its journey at an elevation of around 12,000 to 14,000 feet above sea level. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.